This is me. I want to change my clothes, but when I open my closet, the smell is so bad. This is Ijam. He is looking for his t-shirt. Let's find it. Is it here? No. Maybe it's here. Oh no, where is he? This is Shakir. He just finished his laundry. But there are too many clothes for now. Let's just chill and play some games. And this is Mizan. He want to find an outfit. So let's try this one. Maybe this one is good. Let's try another one. Is this one is good? I am not sure.